While engineering our -12 Komatsu excavators, we knew that maintenance of the equipment is just as important as the physical work itself. That's why we designed the PC220 to help lower total cost of ownership and help simplify the servicing maintenance. We were able to reduce maintenance costs by 20% and therefore reduce downtime compared to its predecessor. For example, we were able to extend the hydraulic oil replacement to 6,000 hours compared to the previous 5,000, along with extending the oil filter to 3,000 hours and KDPF exchange all the way out to 8,000 hours. Along with the extended maintenance intervals, we also were able to achieve an improved ground maintainability through the swing-away radiator for easy access. This allows for daily maintenance checks to be simplified and lower total cost of ownership. With easy-to-access maintenance features, Komatsu also offers our customers a new and improved monitoring system that can help monitor hours for replacement parts at the fingertips of the operator or service personnel.